Plant FAQs. Ceanothus Dark Star, California Lilac. Unveiling the charm of Ceanothus Dark Star. As a passionate gardener residing in Zone 9, I'm always on the lookout for plants that not only thrive in my region, but also add a touch of elegance to my garden landscape. One such gem that has captured my attention is the Ceanothus Dark Star. This striking evergreen shrub, with its deep blue flowers and glossy foliage, has become a favorite in my garden. Join me as I delve deeper into the world of Ceanothus Dark Star and uncover its secrets. See more 73 species in genus Ceanothus at monsteraholic.com. What is Ceanothus Dark Star? Ceanothus Dark Star, also known as California Lilac, is a beautiful shrub native to California. It belongs to the Ceanothus genus, which comprises around 50 species of shrubs and small trees. What sets Dark Star apart is its captivating dark blue flowers that bloom profusely in spring, creating a stunning contrast against its glossy, dark green foliage. Ceanothus Dark Star versus Concha. I've grown Ceanothus Dark Star and Ceanothus Concha side by side, and the Dark Star's deep blue flowers and glossy foliage really stood out for its vibrant color compared to the more subtle, lighter blooms of Concha. Ceanothus Dark Star versus Julia Phelps. When I compared Ceanothus Dark Star with Julia Phelps, I found that Dark Star's rich, dark blue blooms had a more dramatic effect, while Ceanothus Julia Phelps offered a softer, lavender blue hue that was pleasant but less striking in my garden. Where to buy Ceanothus Dark Star? Finding Ceanothus Dark Star shouldn't be too difficult, especially if you visit reputable nurseries or garden centers in your area. Additionally, many online retailers offer a wide selection of Ceanothus varieties, including Dark Star. When purchasing, ensure you're buying from a trusted source to guarantee the quality and health of the plant. Can I grow Dark Star Ceanothus in Zone 9? Living in Zone 9 myself, I can attest to the fact that Dark Star Ceanothus thrives in this climate. However, it's essential to provide the plant with the right conditions to ensure its success. With adequate sunlight, well-draining soil, and occasional watering, Dark Star can flourish in Zone 9 gardens, bringing its vibrant beauty to the landscape. How to care for Ceanothus Dark Star? Caring for Ceanothus Dark Star is relatively straightforward. As with most plants, it appreciates regular watering, especially during dry spells. However, it's crucial not to overwater, as Ceanothus prefers slightly dry conditions. Additionally, pruning after flowering can help maintain its shape and promote new growth. How to prune Ceanothus Dark Star? Pruning Ceanothus Dark Star is best done after flowering, typically in late spring or early summer. Focus on removing dead or damaged branches, as well as any excessive growth to maintain its compact form. Avoid heavy pruning, as Ceanothus tends to bloom on old wood, and excessive cutting can reduce next year's flower production. Is Ceanothus Dark Star evergreen? Yes. One of the remarkable features of Ceanothus Dark Star is its evergreen nature. This means it retains its glossy, dark green foliage year-round, providing interest and color to the garden even in the colder months. Its ability to maintain its lush appearance throughout the year makes it a valuable addition to any garden landscape. The best time to plant Ceanothus Dark Star is in the fall or early spring when temperatures are moderate and the soil is still warm. This allows the plant to establish its roots before the onset of harsh weather conditions. However, with proper care, Dark Star can be planted at any time of the year, provided it receives adequate water and protection from extreme temperatures during its initial growth phase. When to prune Ceanothus Dark Star? Pruning Ceanothus Dark Star should be done immediately after flowering, typically in late spring or early summer. This timing allows the plant to recover and produce new growth before the onset of winter. Avoid pruning in late summer or fall, as this can remove next year's flower buds and diminish the plant's overall bloom potential. As I continue to nurture and admire my Ceanothus Dark Star, I'm reminded of the beauty and resilience of nature. With its captivating blooms and year-round greenery, this remarkable shrub has undoubtedly earned its place in my garden sanctuary. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice enthusiast, consider adding Ceanothus Dark Star to your outdoor oasis and experience its enchanting allure firsthand.